Hello everyone and welcome to another video at Turn to Excel. So in today's video we will be discussing about Format Painter that comes under the Home tab. It's a very straightforward topic and very easy to implement. So let's see how it works. So if you notice on my screen I have a short table with 4 columns: customer ID, customer name, product and amount. And there is some random data provided here. All right, so let's see how Format Painter works. So before you start implementing anything on Excel, or before you try out any option, just place your cursor on that particular item. So in this case I'm placing my cursor on Format Painter, and it gives you a quick description. So it says, to get started, select content, click Format Painter and select something else to automatically apply the formatting. But for you to apply the formatting, first you need to format the existing data. So let's format it first. So what I'm going to do is I'll select the entire data. Let me just put a border around it. Okay, let me just align it properly. I'm going to make the heading bold, and I also want the background of my heading to be yellow. Okay, all right, so this is a basic formatting that I have done. And let's say I also want the content to be in italics. All right, okay, so I have done multiple formattings here. I have made the heading bold, put a background color as yellow, and made the content as italics. Okay, now suppose you have another table just like this. Okay, or rather let me just try copying this. All right, so now we have two tables. One table has all the formatting in place, but the other table does not have any formatting. It is plain and simple, right? So if you want to change this table to look exactly like the first table, okay, what you can do is you select the entire table which has the formatting in place, go to Format Painter, click on it once, and once you click on it, you will see the dancing ants around the table, the dancing icons around the table, right? And all you have to do is now select the data where you want to apply this formatting. So I want to apply this formatting in our second table. So I come here and I select the entire second table and I just release my mouse. Voila, that's it. Your second table is now in the same formatting as your first table. Similarly, just for example, if you had two separate tables, let's say, so we have one table here, and let's just assume we had another table here. All right, and we want to apply the same formatting as table 1 in table 3 and table 4. So how would you do it in one go? In order to do multiple Format Painter application in one go, what you can do is select the original table where you have the formatting in place, double click on the Format Painter, just double click on it, and now you will see that it is selected. Come to whichever table you want to apply the formatting and select the next table where you want to apply the formatting. Okay, so now you will notice one thing. You will notice one thing, that when I apply the formatting in the fourth table, although this is the data, it gets formatted as a heading. That's because in our initial table, the first row will always have this formatting, that is, the background will be yellow and the data in the table will be in bold. That's why you see this exactly like it. You can make a different heading here and change the formatting accordingly, but this is a very quick view on how the Format Painter works. So any formatting you have already done gets applied to a table where you want to apply the formatting. That's all. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you have any comments, please post it in the comments section, and Please like the video if you like this video. See you soon with another video.